just reggae, a rebel reggae, long time, rebel reggae, what's going on? Long time, rebel reggae, keep moving on. Long time, rebel reggae, what's going on? Long time, rebel reggae, keep moving on. Wanna know, get on the floor now.
Good evening, my name is Winnie Chawira, the host on Omaha Reggae Vibes. Thank you for joining me tonight. I am hoping you are in the mood of some good reggae vibes. Tonight it is all about two great reggae artists that I have so much respect for. It is all about Chaka Demus and Pliers. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere.
Hey, this is from the reggae, you're not reggae. If you not like it, blow it. Cause when this music hits you, you feel no pain like ya. This is reggae music, keep you straight up. Now lick you down and make you hip hop. Watch that girl up on a red top. Working the dance floor.
On May 15th, 2015, in Lincoln, Nebraska, at the Bourbon Theater, it was most probably the best reggae show in Lincoln for 2015. It was Chaka Demus and Pliers. They performed in Nebraska for the first time, and for me, being able to be part of this show and actually attend it, it was like a dream come true. For me, I have always been a fan of their music. I have followed through their music for a very long time, and it was a really great show. Opening this show tonight, I'm going to show the clips of their performances and also their entrance at the Bourbon Theater, and you will get to see how much the fans responded to them coming on stage.
Respect engineer. Ebony and Ivory live together in one perfect harmony. It's nice to be here. Oh, beautiful it is to know that God give us life to be here, to party together in one love and harmony. Lord is my shepherd, I shall lack nothing. He maketh me to lie down in fruitful pastures. Rastafari. Yeah. Right on the view.
I have to pour girl wine and show you a different angle of this song. It is my favorite song from Chaka Demus and Pliers. And for a minute, I forgot that I was actually working. I had to go on the dance floor and just enjoy and dance the night away. Just a little bit information on Chaka Demus and Pliers. Chaka Demus is a sing-jay. Pliers is a singer. They are all from Jamaica. In case some people don't understand or don't know what a sing-jay is somebody who does both singing and DJing, and this is what Chaka Demus does. Just the combination of them working together, doing this either on stage or in the studio, it just makes their music really good, and it makes them really a cut above most of the reggae music that you see.
Don't change your style. Oh, we know.
Just to let you know, when Pliers started singing the cover song Wild World, I had to rub my eyes. I thought Maxi Priest was in the house. I enjoyed and appreciated how well he did with this song. He blew my mind away. Great song. It's one of my favorite songs, and I really enjoyed watching him perform this song.
You say you want something new, and it's breaking my heart, baby, I'm dreaming, but if you only take good care, hope you find a lot of nice things somewhere, but then a lot of nice things somewhere. Oh, baby, baby, it's my world.
One more time. My beautiful and lovely, sweet, happy fans.
From Nebraska.
If you are in love, hold on your lover and squeeze him or her tight. That's gonna be nice. See, send it up again, little boy.
It's breaking my heart easy, because I never wanna see you sad, girl. You'll be a bad girl, but if you want me, take good care, 'cause it's all around the lost things to bad, but then a lot of last things to be done. Oh, baby, baby, it's a lie. Take me by, 'cause the promise my word. Oh, baby, baby, it's a lie. I love you, you're like a child. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Something about just a promise my word. Oh, baby, baby, it's a wild world. Long as I remember you, like a child.
I'm hoping you enjoyed watching the clips from the performances from Chaka Demus and Pliers. And as you know, when artists are on stage, they get a little bit hype. And really the hype is coming from this energy that they get when they are on stage. So when they finished their show, they took pictures with the reggae fans that were lined up to take pictures with them, which was very nice because it is a way of showing appreciation and how they appreciated the show. And after that, we went backstage, and I had to just joke around a little bit so we can be all in a relaxed mode. And then I had to get a feedback from these reggae legends on how they felt about the show, how they felt about the production, how they felt about the promotion, how they felt about the response from the crowd. And really, everything that they said was just positive. They were all relaxed. They were just being themselves, joking around. It was great vibes to just actually talk to them and get a little bit feedback, and this is what they said. Okay, thank you for joining us. This is Winnie on Omaha Reggae Vibes, and I am so glad I just finished watching the epic show for the Chaka Demus and Pliers, and this is Pliers and this is Chaka Demus.
Yeah.
Pliers, how do you feel about the show tonight?
I feel wonderful. I feel beautiful. The fans crowd was beautiful, perfect, lovely. On stage, it's the first time Chaka Demus and Pliers work with this band. It's a beautiful band. They are great.
It was wonderful as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah.
Okay.
It was good, you know?
So for me, this was history in the making because this is the first time you guys have been to Omaha, Nebraska.
Yeah, first.
And I really enjoyed your show.
Thank you.
And I am so grateful and being appreciative that you got to come here to Omaha, Nebraska and bless us with your performance.
It's a pleasure.
Yes, and thank you so much. And you know what? I really appreciated your show. I really appreciated your show, and I appreciated your music, Pliers and Chaka Demus. And for you, Chaka Demus, what do you think?
About the show?
Yes.
Lord have mercy, my lady. I'm
Yes.
telling you, my feeling is we did very well. You
Right.
understand? I think the show was very, very, very put together. Chaka Demus and Pliers, we think about the show before we went on stage, and we asked God to guide us and let the people really feel our vibes,
Right.
you know. And when we went on stage, you know, that is what happened. You know, people love us and say yes, they appreciated us. You understand me?
Right.
So God come in front of everything with Chaka Demus and Pliers in life.
Right.
So may I say so. I think we did a very good job.
Right. I really feel the same way, and I really think that you guys were well appreciated. If Omaha and the Nebraska reggae fans would ask you to come back, would you guys be willing to come
Oh,
back?
yes.
So, then we're working on some new singles. We have 2 new singles, and it's 2 beautiful new singles, Chaka Demus and Pliers.
Yeah.
And Chaka Demus and Pliers Pliers,
Party Mix.
and
Take It In.
Take It In.
Right.
Yeah, Party Mix and Take It In. And you know, maybe I think them two songs going to reach in Africa. Africa is going to love them.
Right.
And America going to love them too.
Right.
Because whatever we do, America love, Africa love, Europe love, England love, the Caribbean love.
Right. And because we are going to have a reggae festival, because we just started in Omaha Solstice Reggae and World Music Festival in 2014. It's happening again in 2015. So if you will be asked to come in 2016, will you be willing to come? I just want to know.
God willing, because you see, you know, everybody got in front of everything. If just say, just so if you come here and the promoter say Chaka Pliers and we're available.
Yeah.
Right.
It's gonna be.
No problem. We're here for the people. You understand me?
Because I already got the feedback from the Omaha Solstice Reggae and World Music Festival's promoter that they will be willing to have you guys come. That's why I'm asking you, so that we know, you know, that, oh, hey, these guys are going to be willing to come to Omaha, Nebraska for the show, you know?
Yeah, we'll be happy for everything. I don't think I'm sure what the name of this production for the night, but I can say the promoter is excellent. The promoter is like top 10 in the world. The promoter is understand artists, and the promoter is beautiful.
Show your face.
I'm not sure. Oh,
It was Winners Splash Promotions, and really they are, in case the viewers don't know, Winners Splash Promotions, it is based in Zimbabwe, but they also do shows in USA. So they do dual shows, Zimbabwe and Omaha, Nebraska. So that's who promoted Chaka Demus and Pliers tonight.
yeah, it's
So
beautiful.
what's the name of the promoter?
Winners Splash Promotions.
Winners Splash.
So we're in it.
Yes.
Winners Plus Promotion
Yes.
So where you want to show?
has treat artists the best out of all. The promoter in the world give us love. They show us love. They give us everything that an artist could need. It's the best promotion ever. We rave. You wave. Look here. I'm rolling on the highway. I'm sailing up to Montego Bay. Damn job not working today. Just gotta find a nice getaway. So I roll on my window and feel the breeze. I'm so relaxed cause my mind at ease. I'm happy, enjoying every second today. Look here. Hey, now I'm on the highway. Me and my shawty, drinking Bacardi, having fun.
Alright, this is great. You know what? I really appreciated your music. So you guys did an excellent job. And do you feel the same way? And really the fans really loved you, you know, and they were coming up here tonight, getting pictures with you, which just shows how much they appreciated your music. You know?
Sure.
So what's your plan?
Well, you don't know, you know, Chaka Demus, you know, we've been in this business for over 30 years, and, you know, we have to respect the fans, and, you know, from the fans turn out to support Chaka Demus and Pliers, they don't know, so we have to love them, and that is a blessing.
Blessing.
Yes.
Because look here, and those little girl that is Maxine, her beat is like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you would have said, I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. No, murder she wrote.
You see, this is Pliers and Chaka Demus. They really had an excellent show, and Omaha Reggae Vibes was so happy to be here, having to witness firsthand this great event, and I'm so blessed and feel really blessed to be here tonight. Thank you for joining me, and have a good night.
And I'm blessed to be with you.
Thank you.
Love you.
Thank you for joining me on Omaha Reggae Vibes tonight, and I'm hoping you enjoyed Omaha Reggae Vibes as much as I did. And I am hoping you got to see what you missed when Chaka Demus and Pliers were performing here in Nebraska. However, like you heard, they said they'll be willing to come back if they are asked to, and if they are available, and if God is willing. So hopefully we will get to see them again. Have a great week ahead, and see you next week.
Now this is the kind of music that you dancing. The stress-free music, reggae music. The greatest music the world ever heard. Original Chaka Demus and Pliers again, you know?
Come and hit me with music.
Rhythm track.
Hey, this is from the reggae, you're not reggae. If you not like it, blow it. Cause when this music hits you feel no pain like ya. This a reggae music, keep you straight up. Now lick you down and make you hip hop. Watch that girl up on a red top. Working the dance floor non-stop. Wind up your waist, girl, take it in. The reggae sweet, girl, take it in. You love the beat, girl, take it in. Take it in. Wind up your waist and take it in. Jiggle your body, girl, take it in. Make up your face and take it in. Take it in.
Reggae and the mover, if the girl them choose. If you want real reggae girl, just bust a money move. Bust it like a sniper, flush it like a wiper.